Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you folks about the Boston Whaler 420 Outrage. It's a 2020. It's an absolute gorgeous boat. This one is powered by the Mercury Verados quad 400s on the back. It's all the power you're going to need for this boat. Let's hop on board and I'll show you the rest. Here we are on board the 420 Outrage. Let's start at the back of the boat. If you're going out for a nice cruise, you got a really large, comfortable seat in the back. You can put 5, 6 adults back here comfortably. If you are going to fish, folds right in, beautiful for a leaning post for fishing with all your rod holders. You have a live well right here, very large live well. So we move around the side. You get the dive door, which the ladder attaches right on there. Easy on, easy off. Plus, bringing the fish aboard much easier than bringing them over the rail as well. Then over to the summer kitchen. We've got another very large live well with a window through it, so it lights up, so you can see the fish like a little aquarium in there. Get the grill, refrigerator with a little freezer in it as well. As we move to the helm area, we'll slide around here and we take this and we're going to fold this up around that way. We come over to this side, lift this up, and now we've got a large bench seat facing forward. So the captain and the helm area have 6 adults very comfortably all around with it, especially if the weather's inclement. You're all protected underneath. Really nice feature. And you have AC. You've got 6 AC vents just blowing on this seat alone, never mind the rest of the boat. So we move to the helm. You've got the triple Raymarines. Fantastic system. This has got the C zone. You can control everything on this boat right in here. Really, really nice feature. You get the digital throttle and shift. You've got the joystick. It's phenomenal. Sideways, any direction you want to go. It's got skyhook, locks me in a position. Great for looking at the sunset. I can hit the skyhook, go out in the bow, enjoy yourself. Perfectly positioned. Nice feature. And it also has the auto heading, which is a simple autopilot. So it's a fantastic option as well. As we move to the inside of the boat, here we are in the cabin of the 420. We got a skylight, a large skylight, which gives you a lot of natural lighting. Beautiful for a cabin down here. A lot of times they're pretty dark, so you get a lot of natural lighting with other windows as well. This is set up for a lounging area. The table will come all the way up for drinks and hors d'oeuvres and that type of thing. Or it can be, you can put a filler cushion in here, make this a bed in here. You could sleep, actually you could sleep probably 3 adults comfortably in here as well. You get the real teak flooring down below. You've got a galley over here. You've got a refrigerator. You've got a microwave and a TV. And lastly, you've got a full stand-up head with a rain shower head on it. Really, really nice. A lot of center consoles do not have this type of a setup. So this is the cabin. Let's move up to the bow. Here we are in the bow. Wonderful lounger here. It's set up for 4 adults. Very, very comfortable. You got armrests out there. You got drink holders in them as well. And then it'll also double as a little couch area here. You can lift this up and you can have this as a couch sitting right here. So you can have full people entertaining around here, the table. This is a sun pad on it now, which goes down to a full sun pad here, or you take the cover off and then you can have it as a table, and it comes all the way naturally on the hydraulic all the way up. So you can have probably 8 to 10 adults comfortably sitting up here. So major entertainment area up here. Sound system all the way around it. This particular boat's got the Raymarine open array up there. It's got everything you're going to need. It's an unbelievable boat. You'll be in the Keys in no time at all in a boat like this. So if you got any questions or would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.